Landscape fabric is another common mulch that we use here at the CAFF farm. It's made of woven poly fabric. Most landscape fabric is rated to last at least 5 years, so it does have some UV protection in it. As previously stated though, if you do use landscape fabric in an organic system, you must remove this from the field at the end of your growing season. Landscape fabric does let water through, it does let air through, but it blocks the sunlight that would allow weed seeds to take over. It's most appropriate for long season crops. You can see here we have tomatoes planted into this landscape fabric. To plant into landscape fabric, you'll first have to burn holes into the fabric itself. And you can do this with a propane torch at the set spacing that your crop requires. If you cut your landscape fabric without burning it, you can get these frayed edges, and over time, these little strings will start to pull off of your fabric and end up in your field. So be very careful. If you do cut without burning them, tuck those frayed edges under before you staple that fabric in place. To secure landscape fabric to the ground, use landscape staples at a regular spacing. Usually preferred 5 to 8 feet is a good spacing. Stay tuned to learn more about organic farming here at the Center for Arkansas Farms and Food.